Hello dear students, let us start solution of exercise 14.6. Question number first. Draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. To find the line of symmetry of angle 75, we have to divide into two equal parts, means we have to find here bisector of angle 75. So to draw angle POQ of 75 degree, we will draw first of all a ray, like the point, will give the point O vertex. So now as a center A, will draw an arc you can take convenient radius like this. Name this point like point, you can write point P. Now with the help of protractor, we will draw angle 75 degree. We will place the protractor center at point O and we will draw 75 degrees. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 75. We'll point here, join this line with O, name this point Q. Now your angle POQ is 75 degree. To find a bisector, line of symmetry, so we have to find a bisector of 75 degree. To find the bisector, we will use our compass. So we will put the pointer on P. We have to find the bisector of PQ. We will put on P and more than half of PQ. If you take more than half of PQ, so you will get the bisector cut from here, one cut here and another from at the point PQ. Now P is over Q, pointer will paste here, cut an arc. Now you can see the point, this join with O. We can name this point, so like A. So here OA is a bisector of PQ and this is the line of symmetry for angle POQ. Question number third. Draw a right angle and construct its bisector. So right angle means 90 degree. So it's very simple to draw a 90 degree angle. First we'll draw a line. So we'll take a point here like O. Now we will use our compass. We will make an arc at the center O, take convenient radius. Now here you can make an arc, name these points, this point A and B. Now we have to find the bisector of AO to make a right angle. So we will take a radius greater than AB like this. Now cut an arc here from as a center A, same like center B. Join this point with O. Now this you can see this is a right angle. So draw a right angle is complete, construct its bisector. So here we have to find the bisector, means half. Name this point C. We will follow the same process like a how to find a bisector. Now put pointer on A and take radius more than greater than half of AC. Cut an arc here at the point C, and same from point C again. Join this point with O. So now you can see this is name is M. So AM is a bisector of angle AOC. Question number 4. Question number 4. Draw an angle of measure 153 and divide it into 4 equal parts. So first of all, to draw an angle we will use our ruler to make a line segment, or you can write a ray like this. Take a point here O. Now we will use our protractor to measure to make an angle 153. Paste it on the center O. Now 153 more than 90 is obtuse angle, so 150 here, 153, 150, and this 153. Now join this line. So now here you can see this is the 153 angle. This is 153 degree. Now we have to divide into 4 equal parts. So means we will find the bisectors of this. For that we will join this like an arc. Name this point A, this cutting point like B. So now first of all we will find the bisector of AB. We have to divide into 2 equal parts first, like we divide a line segment, so greater than half of AB. Cut an arc here as a center A. Same as a center B, cut an arc here. Now this point join with O. Name this point C. Now here OC is a bisector of AB. Now we are divided into 2 equal parts. Again name this point here. I am writing the point name is here C. Now we will find a bisector of AC. So to bisector, put a pointer on A and greater than half of AC, cut an arc here. Now from C the same, cut an arc here, join with O. Now this is the bisector of AC 1, 2. Again we'll follow the same process here. Cut an arc here again, and here join this point with O again. Now we have you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We divided 153 angle into 4 equal parts.